Hey guys, Tall Man here of Tall Man Moto. Today I'm excited to share with you the Fire Maple X2 camping stove system. So let's check it out. So it comes in this nice mesh bag. Keeps it safe. So you've got everything you need kind of stored away into one system. It's great for moto camping, you know, going out on the bike, don't have a lot of space. So they sent me a couple extra the sleeves, so I keep one in there tucked down. If you buy one of the smaller cans, it will fit in there. This one's a little bit bigger, so it doesn't quite fit as well. So I just keep this in here so stuff doesn't rattle around. So you've got the little holder here. It goes on the bottom for stability. Pops right on there. And then stove system, little pot holder, so if you're using a pan or something, this can snap on there. If you're not using this, set that aside, pop the little switchy doodle thing here, spin this on, just like so, then pot goes on there, locks into place, and you're ready to cook. Super easy to use. So today we're going to be making some pasta. So I need 2 cups of water. We're going to see how long it takes for that to boil. 2 cups turns out to be about half a liter. We're going to fill that up. So you get these little markers inside. And that's the rest of my water, so it worked out perfectly. So got that, then down here, got your little button, so you flip this thing here, and then bam! And quite literally, cooking with fire. So you're going to hit start, and see about how long it takes, about half a liter to boil. It's only about 3 minutes. Go there. I'm actually really starting to get hungry. You'll notice. There we go. We're already getting bubbles. 50 seconds. Just gonna keep going on this. I mean, it's such a well built. Look at this thing. Good strong metal. Handle's real nice. Fancy lid. This is $60, guys. $60. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting some base boilage there at a minute 19. So a lot of people try and boil like a full amount. I don't know, it doesn't seem practical to me. I'm using practical amount. I'm actually going to be making some food. So I'm just using the amount I need. Like 2-3 cups to boil some 150 for 152. It doesn't really get this simple overnight. So I have what's left of my pasta in here, so I'm actually going to cut this off. Alright, so this has to sit for 12 minutes. We'll do that and then we'll come back. Yeah, Fire Maple 2, I can't recommend this thing enough. For $60, this thing is an awesome deal. Strongly suggest you guys check it out. Drop a link to Amazon down below. Doesn't cost you anything extra. Gives me a lot of extra money while I'm out on adventures. So if you'd like to help me out, that'd be great. I will see you in 10 minutes when my pasta's done. So one interesting thing I'd like to point out, this is still just done. So I'm literally just grabbing the side of it. I mean, this cozy thing's really handy. It's a boiling hot pot. You can just grab it. Like, it's warm, but it's nice, right? You get those options if you need to move it around. And it's time to chow down, I guess. Guys, I can't say enough good things about this. this system. I mean, you could do a campfire, a camping stove, and wait 20 minutes for your percolator to start brewing coffee, or you could boil water in literally 2 minutes, throw some instant coffee in a cup, and be done with it. I mean, that's my favorite thing about it. Making food is great, but it's awesome. This thing's awesome. Buy it. Buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. If you're thinking about it, why haven't you hit the link already to buy it? Cheers with pasta. There you go. Fire Maple X2 camping stove system thing-a-ding-ding. Buy one. Again, check the link down below. Take you to Amazon. 60 bucks. I get it. Buy it. Do it. Wouldn't recommend it if I didn't actually recommend it. Hope you enjoyed the review. Like and subscribe for more Moto adventures. And don't forget to ding the dong. Alright, see you guys later.